To start using Kissflow for beginners, follow these simple steps. Sign up for Kissflow. Visit the Kissflow website. Click on Start Free Trial and enter your details, including your name, email address, and company information. Complete the sign-up process and verify your email. Familiarize with the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Kissflow dashboard. This is where you can create and manage workflows, processes, and tasks. Explore different options like apps, reports, and integrations to get familiar with the platform. Create a new workflow. On the dashboard, click Create New App or New Workflow to start building your processes. Choose from pre-built templates or create a custom one. Add different steps and define tasks in your workflow, such as approval processes, document reviews, or team collaborations. Assign roles and permissions. Set up users and assign roles within the app. You can define permissions for various team members to ensure proper workflow management. Automate and monitor. Automate your workflows by adding triggers and conditions. Monitor the progress of workflows using the analytics and reporting tools provided by Kissflow.